Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry for screaming at you, but I'm really excited to be back. I was gone a few days, I was on holiday, and I bet you thought I was gone forever, huh? But no, I'm back and I'm recreating this look inspired in summer because I want it back, you know. It's winter here. Well, not really, but let's get started. I'm using my favorite foundation, and this one's Born This Way by Too Faced, and my shade is Warm Beige because I refuse to choose another shade, guys. I need to think that I'm still dark, which I'm not, but that's why I'm gonna blend it all the way down to my neck. For concealer, I'm using the Healthy Mix Concealer by Bourjois, and I'm applying it on the bridge of the nose and on a triangular form under the eyes, and this is going to highlight and hide those under eye bags because sister, they are showing today. And I'm just blending all of that with my Real Techniques sponge, and this one's one of my favorites because it blends everything really nice and seamless, and you can either use it wet or dry. To set that concealer, I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I'm just setting the concealer because I love when my foundation looks nice and dewy, and that's why I don't set it with anything else, because my skin's quite normal, like it's not dry or oily. And for my eyebrows, I'm using the Tame and Frame pomade by NYX, and ignore the fact that I'm just overdrawing my eyebrows today. This doesn't normally happen, but some days I just go a little bit overboard, so just ignore my big eyebrows that are about to fly away. For eyeshadow today, I'm using this Kylie Cosmetics palette. I'm using this lighter shade to apply on my mobile lid. It's best to apply these sort of colors with a flat brush since they can have a lot of fallout, and a flat brush tends to apply the color evenly. Now I'm using this orangey shade to blend on the crease and to also blend on the outer V of the eye, and this is going to give our eyes that smoky look, and it's going to make them like elongate them a bit more. And I love orange shades. I feel like they look good in every single eye makeup look. And now I'm just blending a darker brown on the outer V and in the crease, but ever so slightly. Don't go overboard because we don't want to overpower the green that we're going to blend on the lower lash line. To blend on the lower lash line, I'm using this green from the Vice palette from Urban Decay, and I'm really packing in the color. I'm blending it outwards and making sure that it looks nice and smoky and not just like a straight line of green. Make sure you do a little wing because I feel like the green and the orange look really nice together. Now I'm just doing the lower lash mascara, and I'm using this one by Maybelline that I'm not going to try to pronounce because I forgot the name, so I'll leave everything in the description box for you guys. To warm up my features a little bit more, I'm going to be using MAC Give Me Sun, and this bronzer I have a love and hate relationship with because some days it looks quite orange on me, some days it looks ashy. I don't know if it's the lighting, but today is working, so I'm loving it. And I'm just blending that on the perimeters of my face. Now I'm applying highlighter, and this one's the Mary Luminizer by The Balm, and as you can see, it's the bomb. I love it. It's so pigmented, you don't even need Fix Plus. It's so nice and glowy, and I'm applying that on the inner corners as well to open up the eyes and make them stand out a little bit more. And I don't know why I went out of focus, but here I am again, and I'll be going out of focus again for you guys because why not? I don't know why I do that. I pretend that I'm not even filming and I go and do my own little thing. Now I'm applying this NYX lip butter, I think it's called lip butter, and I don't know the shade, so you know the drill, it'll be down below, and I'm just applying that on my lips. And this is the finished look, my loves. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to click on that little notification bell so that every time I put up a new video you get notified. I'll leave all the details about this makeup in the description box down below, as well as my social media links, so you can go and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat and Twitter, and I'll see you all in my next video. Mwah. Bye.